Today, I want to talk to you about one of the most precious and invaluable resources we all possess. Time. Time is the great equalizer, the one thing that does not discriminate. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, no matter who we are or where we come from. Yet it's what we do with those 24 hours that makes all the difference in our lives. Time is a currency, and like any currency, it can be spent, invested, or wasted. How we choose to use our time shapes our destiny, defines our character, and determines our success. It's easy to let time slip through our fingers, to procrastinate, to put off our dreams and goals until tomorrow. But the truth is, tomorrow is not guaranteed, and the clock is always ticking. Imagine if you had a bank account that credited you with $86,400 every single day. With one condition: you had to spend it all by midnight. You couldn't save it, you couldn't roll it over to the next day. What would you do? You'd spend it wisely, invest it in things that matter, and make every dollar count. Well, my friends, we all have a similar account, but it's filled with seconds, minutes, and hours, not dollars. The question is, are you spending your time or investing it? Are you using your time to pursue your dreams and passions, to build meaningful relationships, to learn and grow? Or are you squandering it on things that don't truly matter? Consider this. Every great accomplishment, every masterpiece, every invention, every successful business, and every enduring relationship was built on the foundation of time well spent. The value of time lies not in its quantity, but in its quality. It's not about how much time we have, it's about how we use the time we've been given. You see, time is a gift, and it's up to us to make the most of it. We must set goals and chase after them relentlessly. We must embrace challenges and setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. We must prioritize what truly matters in life: our dreams, our loved ones, our health, and our happiness. Don't wait for the right moment, because the right moment is now. Don't wait for tomorrow, for someday, for the perfect circumstances, because they may never come. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So, my friends, I urge you to make a commitment today. Commit to using your time wisely, to living a life of purpose and meaning, to pursuing your dreams with unwavering determination. Don't let time slip away. Cherish it, invest it, and make it count. Remember that the clock is ticking, and your time is your most valuable asset. In the end, it's not about how long we live, but how well we live the time we have. So, go out there and make every moment count. Your future self will thank you, and the world will be a better place because of it.